Okay, so I'm going to show you in the EG Zoomer firmware radio, when you do the Quanshang, you can come in here and add these frequencies and click here, and we'll go in here, we'll change it from FM, click that, drop down, and we got upper sideband. So we got 18100. Let me just see if we can pick up, FT8 signals. 27025, big CB/AM frequency. So we'll come in here and we'll change all these to AM. That way, when they're saved to the radio, we won't have to come in here and change them manually back and forth. Hopefully, you might still have to, I don't know. I added a bunch of CB frequencies because I just want to see if I pick up anything, and without having to try and manually tune the radio. These are just some common channels basically, and we're gonna write them to the radio and just see how the radio behaves. And we're already into the 28 band. I gotta go back and change these. Okay, upper sideband. So it's pretty simple, and it's really nice that this software allows you to do this, including adding the 900 megahertz band. I would never set this up to TX. This is beyond QRP if you were to do that. I mean, we're talking milliwatts. And then this one actually is FM 29640, the London, Ontario repeater. And if it put out enough power, we might actually be able to get it to work. But I don't know. So I got these in here, and the offset's actually here for this one. It automatically detected that, and there is no PL tone, so technically if we enable TX, this one probably will work. Okay, so this may or may not write to the radio when I do it, because I unplugged the radio and came back to it, but let's just see if it does. Sometimes that causes a problem. We click upload to the radio, we can see that it's the EG Zoomer version, and we're not seeing anything activity wise on the radio, but it did just do that. And so that's kind of strange how this radio sometimes does that. So I don't know if there's a reason for that. So let's go and see what we have in the radio. We will unplug it. We need to be... It doesn't have a voice on here anymore. Interesting. Because I thought it used to say memory mode. Okay, so we're in memory mode 23. So I think we're starting at 51. So let's go 05. Let's go 050. Okay, so we're in 900 megahertz territory. Okay. So we got 18. It says USB. Okay, AM. Look at that. How cool is that? 28.4. I didn't quite put them in the correct order. So there you go. Pretty cool.